Welcome back, guys. Been working on the fl250 tank. Been doing grinding, welding, had to put more patches in, but I'm just keep melting through the tank. But it's getting there. Then we're gonna probably, if I can't get every single hole in it, I'm probably just gonna put some like an outside sealer on it or something. But there's only a couple holes in it, and now we're replacing most of the bottom of the tank. But I need to get one of them cheap Chinese welders because my 140 MP Lincoln at the lowest setting, this was turned up. I was running it like that. Is melting through. And they said TIG is the way to go, so I might have to look into that because I want to get the 250 going. So please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.